Press search button. Enter HU6-4. Press search button. Choose Silka. Choose HU64 1019 10 according to the key type. Press decode button to enter the decoding page. Select left-right positioning and round off. Check if the original key can work well. Fix the original key on HU64 clamp. Fix the HU64 clamp on car key clamp. Press decode to start decoding. Take away HU64 clamp and take out the original key. Fix a new key blank. Fix HU64 clamp on the car key clamp. Press cut button to enter cutting page. Press speed button and choose NKL silver. Select left-right positioning. Press cut button to start cutting. Please remember to close the safe gate. Cutting. Cutting is done. Open the safe gate. Clean the clamp's new key. Take out the HU64 clamp. Change the other side of the new key blank on HU64 clamp for cutting. Fix the HU64 clamp on the car key clamp. Press cut button to start cutting. Please remember to close the safe gate. Cutting. Cutting is done. Open the safe gate. Clean the clamp, the new key. Take out the new key. Now, you can have a try if the new key works.